What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. As you guys can tell, I'm in a whole new setting because I did just move separate. We'll talk about that later on in the video. But regardless, if you guys didn't tell by the title, we're going to be talking about some Robinhood features today. Excuse the echo because, like I said before, I just moved, so the sound isn't as best as it could be. It'll be straightened out in further videos. Either way, we're going to talk about 3 new Robinhood features in today's video. One of those features just got announced today. The other one got announced a couple weeks back. And the next one isn't available just yet, but it should be available sometime in the near future. So let's get into all 3 of these in today's video. Start the video. Let's go. If you haven't seen my channel before, I make videos going over a whole bunch of different personal finance content. So that means saving your money, investing your money, budgeting, credit cards. It's all covered right here on Dollar Mike. Of course, we're talking about Robinhood and investing today, and let's get into it. So let's start with the most recent announcement, which was today, and that is the Robinhood Cash Card. Overall, I'm here on my Robinhood account right now. We're gonna go on over to the announcements tab, and I can see exactly what they're talking about. The Robinhood Cash Card is a new cash debit card for Robinhood, and if we scroll down, we can see all the details of it. I also have it right behind me as well on the Robinhood website if you would like to check it out that way. Either way, the first feature they have is to earn rewards as you spend and round up. So you'll spend, round up your purchases, and invest your change to earn an extra 10 to 100% on your investments every single week. Now, I'm not sure how they're going to go about this. Maybe if you spend money using this debit card, because I'm pretty sure it's pretty much just a debit card. So when you spend money using this debit card, you'll get anywhere between 10 to 100% back in a bonus each week that'll go towards your stocks. I'm assuming that's what they're going to do with it. It's not really explained here. The next feature is that you can invest part of every single paycheck. So automatically invest a percent or a dollar amount of every single paycheck. Plus you'll get paid 2 days early if you have direct deposit set up to go to this Robinhood Cash Card. After that, we have one of the best features, and you guys already know, no hidden fees. So it says no monthly fees, no in-network ATM fees or overdraft fees or any account minimums to go ahead and use this Robinhood Cash Card. So that's all good to go there. And lastly, it says coming soon, cash back when you spend, save money at your favorite everyday brands, no activation required. I'm already on the wait list, but you can go ahead and join the wait list on Robinhood right now. I'm not sure if this is going to be any different from the Robinhood debit card that we already received not too long ago. I have it right here. There we go. There's the focus. Yeah, so I'm not sure if they're going to combine both of these cards into one single thing. We'll have to wait and see, but I guess it would make sense if they did. Either way, this pretty much offers around the same features. I personally don't use my Robinhood debit card. I'm pretty much a credit card person. If you guys don't know, you know now. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see. So that's the first feature. It was just announced today, so definitely go hop on the wait list, get in there early before everybody else signs up, and it takes, you know, a million person wait list, and then you're like at last in line. So we'll see what happens. Past that though, let's go on to the second feature for Robinhood that just got announced not too long ago. The second Robinhood feature that was announced earlier this month, I never really got a chance to cover it on the channel, but that is known as the Options Watchlist. So now on Robinhood, you can go on in and you can have an options watch list just like you have a regular stock watch list. If you guys don't know what a watch list is, it's exactly what it sounds like. You can pretty much watch the stocks that you may be buying in the future, just like you can watch the options that you may play in the future. So let's actually go right on here. It says introducing Options Watchlist. This was back on March 10th. So we go on in, it says discover options without trading. Cool stuff there. Build confidence before investing, and you can see the hypothetical returns on that, and you can go ahead and start exploring and make your own watch list. It's as simple as that, and they give you a whole bunch of options right here, but these are the stocks that I'm personally invested in. But if we go on back, we can actually choose any particular stock. So let's actually just go on back to my main page. Let's scroll down a little bit, and actually let's search for a stock. Let's search for Apple, just because it's a pretty basic, you know, AAPL. So pretty basic. Everybody knows what Apple is. So if we want to go and trade options on Apple, we can go ahead and do that like normal. You go ahead and click trade options if you have options enabled. If you don't have options enabled, definitely watch my video. It should be somewhere up there, and it'll let you know how to enable options on Robinhood if you don't know how. It's super simple, super easy, super quick, like a 1-minute video, or it's like a 5-minute video, but it takes like 1 minute. Either way, once you find the option that you want, you can simply double tap on the option and it'll be added to your options watch list. So right now the market is closed right now, so we won't see anything. But say for instance, I want to sell a call on Apple for that date, for that time. You can see it's added to my options watch list. And let's go ahead and buy a call. Let's say I want to buy a $185 call on Apple. Actually, let's not do that. Let's say I want to buy a $160 call on Apple. Simply double tap on it, or tap on it if you want to. It's completely up to you. You can either double tap to add it to your watch list, or you can tap on it and just click add to watch list right here as well. And once you do that, you can head on back to your main page, scroll on down, and at the bottom will be your options watch list. So I already have two already here because I've been watching a couple options recently, and you can see they're both up right now. AvePoint up 21% and Vale up 36% on the options watch list. But Apple, the two ones I just put in, they would go through, well, they did go through, but the problem is the market's closed right now, so we can't see what actually is going on with the option. Because you guys don't know, options are only active during market hours, and right now it's past market hours. So no options right now, but tomorrow morning I should be able to see some fluctuation in this to see how much money I'm making or losing depending on the options that I put on the watch list that I could play if I want to. But mainly this is just for testing out your own strategy. So if you're big into options and stuff like that, and you want to go ahead and take the jump and test out your strategy that you have, or you know something about a stock that somebody else doesn't know, you want to just test it out, see if it works out for you. You can go ahead and make an options watch list on the Robinhood platform, which I think is really cool. Hopefully they add more features to this. Right now, I think it's pretty much limited to like buys, sells, calls, and puts. You can't really do the whole like strategies with it, like a straddle or an iron condor or anything like that. So it'd be nice to see that in the future, but this is a good start, and it's also free, so why not? Either way, nice feature to have, nice feature to add, and that is the second thing that Robinhood added this month. The third and final feature that Robinhood is adding isn't currently available just yet, but it was announced on March 16th, and that is known as the Slip feature, which basically allows users like me and you to go ahead and lend out our stocks to whoever and make passive income on those particular stocks. This will be known as SLIP or Slip, or the Stock Loan Income Program, which will appear in your Robinhood app when it's available. Other financial institutions already offer this to you, like Fidelity and E-Trade, but it is coming to Robinhood, and it is coming to Robinhood for free in the future. So I'm not gonna spend too much time on it because it's not available yet, but I can give you a little gist if you want a little bit more. And I'm quoting this Bloomberg article: through Slip, you have the opportunity to earn passive income by lending whole shares of stocks to other institutions. An explanation of the feature says inside the app: these institutions may borrow stocks to settle trades or facilitate short sales. That's pretty interesting. You'll be able to buy and sell as usual, even if your stocks are on loan. So, of course, this is all going to be supply and demand when it comes to actually the stocks that you would make the highest amount of passive income from. We really just have to wait and see once this Slip program does release on the Robinhood platform. And of course, I'm going to bring it to you first right here on Dollar Mike. So there you guys go. That's 3 new Robinhood features on the books. Which one are you most excited for? Personally, for me, I think it's the Cash Card, because if it can implement anything like the Acorns can, where you can just round up your spare change and have it go into your investments, then I think that'd be pretty solid. Now, I'm not pretty big. I told you guys, I'm not a big debit card person. I'm more of a credit card person, so I would love to see a Robinhood credit card that'll round up my spare change and then go ahead and invest it into my portfolio. That'd be great, but for the time being, I'll have to just go ahead and accept the debit card to do just that. Either way, that's my personal favorite. If you're interested in the cash debit card or anything like that, then definitely check out my Robinhood link list right down below. Or if you want to sign up for Robinhood in general, just check out the link down below, because it will get yourself a free stock if you don't already have Robinhood anyway. On top of that, I have a whole slew of playlists of videos of Robinhood content. So if you're interested in Robinhood in general, or just any other stock market stuff or investing stuff, then definitely check out the playlist. It'll be up there. Check out the links down below, and just check out the whole channel in general. You know, it's that simple. So it's the Cash Card, the options, or this new Slip program. So up to you, which one's your favorite. Personally, for me, it's the Cash Card. We'll see how things play out. Either way, that's pretty much all I got for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, definitely smash that like button. It'll be really appreciated, and we'll be all good to go. Like I said before, just moved and everything like that. I plan on having a whole separate channel for vlogging and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see vlogs of me and stuff like that, moving, empty apartment tour, finished apartment tour, just general vlogs and stuff, because I have a vlog actually fully recorded. Actually, is the camera fully recorded? I got a whole separate camera, bro. Fully recorded vlog already done. It's just not on the channel yet. Either way, I'll have that up on my separate channel, my second channel that I've mentioned like twice now, and that is going to be known as Days with Dollar Mike. At the time of this video going up, it'll probably won't be any videos on there, but going forward, it will be. So definitely subscribe if you want to see just a little bit more of me, and more free forming, not just me stuck inside this room. It'll be me going everywhere, doing things, because I got a vlog, you know, it's fun. So either way, just something fun, something cool. If you're interested, definitely subscribe to that other channel. The link will be down below, probably the first link in the description. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay hydrated. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I really do appreciate all of you over this course of me taking 16 breaks at once trying to figure out my life. So I really do appreciate it. All 16,000 of you now I love it. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. I keep saying that. Dollar Mike. Stay hydrated. Stay safe. I'm out. Peace. I'm out.